Ever wish you could do a freestanding handstand? Hi, this is me, Bonnie. I always wanted to, but I've never really practiced, so I definitely can't show you how. But a fellow American Ninja Warrior and aerialist, Eliannah, agreed to share her 6-day free handstanding tutorial. So make sure you follow her on IG at Eliannah. Day 2, I got a lot better at kicking myself up against the wall by just overcoming the fear and trying to remember kick off strong. The alternating tapping the feet on the wall was the best I could do. Unfortunately, I still keep falling when both feet are off.
For day 2 of handstands in quarantine, but we're making the best of it and we're doing handstands. So I'm going to show you something new. Yesterday I showed how to kick up against the wall for your very first handstand. Today I'm going to show little steps in getting away from the wall, and I just want to say you can always put a pillow under your head if you're not feeling confident. If you feel like your arms are not going to stay stable, if you have a quarantine buddy, you can use a spot. So today I'm going to show you again back against the wall, and about 6 to 8 inches from the wall you can have your hands. And so I'm going to show you 2 things. The first one is how to start getting weight into your fingertips. So this is a challenge I'm gonna show you. You're gonna get straight up against the wall, and then you're gonna try to push into your fingertips, think white knuckles, and you're gonna try to peel your feet away from the wall just using mostly your hands. So I'm kicking up, dominant leg, my right leg is forward, and I'm kicking up to the wall, feet against the wall, and now pushing out of my shoulders, and I'm pushing into my fingertips, seeing if I can just pull my feet away from the wall, and I'm creating some float. So you can even drag one leg away and then use your fingertips. And then the second step is to try to push into your fingertips and just alternate your feet against the wall. And that's it. We're taking baby steps towards that freestanding handstand. I hope you enjoy learning something new during your time in quarantine. I know that's my goal too, is just to keep learning these things and keep happy and keep motivated. So best of luck, guys.
I hope everyone's doing well and you enjoyed this tutorial video. Thank you, Eliannah. If you guys like this video, please let us know by hitting like on the video, share it, follow along each day. Let us know how you guys are doing. Comment in the comments below on IG, on Facebook, or wherever you're seeing this. And make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next lesson. Thanks for watching. If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym, and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. How to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results, and the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.